Ayan guys, so ang dami na palang tao.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Lost Furukawa and welcome back again to another Boracay vlog. And for today's vlog guys, tayo ay pupunta ngayon sa Bulabog Beach para dun sunduin ng party boat. Kasi guys, tayo ay magpa-party boat. So kanina nga ay nasabi ko sa previous video natin na tayo ay magpa-party boat kasi isa yun sa panibagong activity dito sa Boracay and napakaraming nag-o-offer na ito. Kaya grinab na natin yung opportunity para maka-try nung boat party na yon. So bago pa man ang lahat guys, subscribe muna kayo sa channel ko. Tulungan nyo naman ako ma-reach ang 10k subscribers para makapag-giveaway tayo ng GoPro Hero camera. And para sa mga bago nga pala sa channel ko, ako nga pala isang travel vlogger and gumagawa ako ng mga travel guides both local or international. Kaya sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na. So by the way guys, ito palang boat party natin ay binook natin sa Shingli. So yun din yung kung naalala nyo guys sa past Boracay vlogs natin, nag-island hopping tayo with Shingli Tour din. So sa kanila din to ngayon kasi ang offer nila is 700 per person lang. So joiners din ito. So marami for sure mamaya ang magpa-party boat. So meron ding mas mahal, party yacht. So medyo expensive nga lang yan. So okay na tayo dito. Try natin tong party boat nila. And ngayon, magta-tricycle tayo guys, papunta sa Bulabog Beach. So nandito na tayo ngayon guys sa Bulabog Beach and hahanapin na natin ang ating party boat via Shingli. So let's see. Excited na rin ako na matry yun guys kasi first time ang party boat and tingnan nyo naman guys. Yung mga kasabayan natin dito talaga naka-outfit na for party boat. Ayan. Ayan guys, so ang dami na palang tao. Kasi kaya party boat na yan. Daming tao dito guys sa Bulabog Beach oh.
Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm the lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of an ocean that
Uy, Kuya Mix Jill.
is brave. Is there anything good?
Sabi na eh, kilala kita eh. Sabi ko eh. Kamusta? Saya. So nakasalubong ko guys si Kuya Mix Jill. Siya yung kasama natin sa island hopping noong 2022. Kuya, hi ka naman saglit ah. Kaya, kayaan mo naman sila mag-island hopping sa Shingli.
What's up? Island hopping po tayo sa Shingli. Let's go!
Di ba may ano rin, unlimited buffet? Lunch, ayun. Tapos magkano nga ulit kuya? Magkano na ngayon? Di ba dati 700? 700 pa rin ba kayo?
700 pa rin.
700 pa rin guys. So, ayan, Shingli, book na kayo ng island hopping. Para sakali makita niyo si Kuya. Chill. Sige kuya, excited na ako sa ano eh, party boat eh. Daming tao ngayon dito guys. So, dito pala yung activity area nila. Dahil sa weather dun sa kabila. Kasi ito yung mga kasama natin guys. Ngayon ko lang to nakita guys. So meron din palang mga hotel dun sa taas. 'Di ba? Pero parang mukhang mamahalin din yung price per night niyan. So pero napakagandang view naman yung i-offer niya. Tignan niyo.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss. And in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place.
So nasa party boat na ako ngayon guys. And ang time pa lang daw is mag 3:30 PM. And ang time daw na mag-e-end itong party boat is 6:30 PM pa. So I think mga 3 hours itong party boat natin. So for sure ma-enjoy naman natin ito. And marami pa tayong mapupuntahan for sure. Kasi hindi ko talaga inalam yung whole package. So bahala na mamaya kung ano mangyayari. Hindi ko rin na-search to guys sa internet or sa TikTok man lang. So I'm really excited na namatry for the first time itong party boat. Actually guys, ang dami na ang tao ngayon dito. Tignan nyo. Diba?
Right, they like your energy, everyone. They hold your energy still at the end of our party boat. So everyone in the heart to dance.
I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You make everything. It's just like the same. Don't know what you got. Running free, it could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place.
So we stay here until 5:30 p.m. After 5:30 p.m., akyat po tayo. Now let's go to the last part of Boracay and let's see.
So nandito na tayo ngayon guys sa tapat ng Turtle Island. And later daw pupunta daw tayo sa parang sunset viewpoint nitong Turtle Island. And by the way, dito pala guys sa Turtle Island, magsispend tayo ng time until 5:30 PM. Pwede natin gawin snorkeling, swimming, and also dito parang ang tawag nila is is sa second floor guys, yung top deck diving. So yun yung tawag nila. And also ano pa bang pwedeng gawin dito? Ayan, picture taking, crystal kayak pwede rin. So libre lang yung goggles, wala kayong babayaran. Also yung crystal kayak wala rin. And siguro kayo na bahala guys magbigay ng tip kung gusto nyo magpa-picture sa crystal kayak. Pero guys, ayan, dito kami ngayon sa second floor para i-explore itong magandang isla ng Boracay. Ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo, yan yung private yacht, yung nandyan. So party yacht yung tawag dyan. And mahal ata yung renta nila dyan since private ka. So duka lang tayo guys, hanggang ano lang tayo, joiners tour. Welcome to Boracay!
up in the night. This nigga wasn't outside. Notice what I was dreaming, her I was feeling. Backtracking on
Ay, Malia!
track.
Eh!
Cause ever since my girl left me, my whole life ain't passionate. I'm so lonely, so lonely. Mr. Lonely. I had
Say hi! Hello! Welcome to my vlog! Come on!
Mr.
Hey! Hey!
All right. Can you believe I had a girl like you when I just let you walk like
Ayan, dali mo! Dali mo! Iba vlog to, iba vlog.
that to me? So, Mr. Lonely.
So finally guys, nakabalik na rin ako dito ngayon sa hotel and also tapos na rin ang ating Shingli Boat Party Experience and Tour. So sana ay nag-enjoy kayo kasi ako ay nag-enjoy talaga sa ating boat party experience from Shingli. So guys, by the way, ang binayaran pala natin kanina from Bulabog Beach going to hotel is 150 pesos. So yung papunta is 100 pesos. So yun lang guys, i-ready nyo lang yung 250 pesos nyo if magdi-DIY kayo going to Bulabog Beach. Pero ayun, kayo na bahala guys. Baka makahingi kayo ng discount pa sa tricycle driver. Pero ayun, kayo na bahala mag-negotiate. So by the way guys, ang next agenda natin dito is experience natin ang nightlife ulit ng Boracay kasi 'di ba guys, nung 2022 pandemic pa yon, so hindi ganoon kasaya yung nightlife, parang okay lang as in, pero halos lahat ay sarado pa and also parang medyo tahimik pa rin and hindi pa nakakabalik sa totoong nightlife ng Boracay. So let's see ngayong 2024 kung ano nga ba yung may offer ng Boracay nightlife ulit. And I'm really excited na sa nightlife experience dito sa Boracay Island. So kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating Shingli Party Boat Experience, don't forget to follow me on Facebook page, Instagram at Lost Furukawa. And if you want to do business or sponsorship with me, you can email me at lostfurukawa19@gmail.com. And guys, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong Boracay vlogs ko pa. That's it guys, I really appreciate you being here and I'm really glad na bumabalik na ang ating bosses. See you again in another Boracay vlog. Bye!